everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video guys, I'm going to share to you how I come up with this Victoria crochet top. So please watch the whole thing and enjoy making your own project. Thank you and bye! Hi everyone, it's me Annadel Kisses. Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So how's everyone doing out there? So on today's video, I'm going to share to you how to make this Victoria crochet top. I call it Victoria because when I was making this, I was always watching a Vicky Apps movie. So I call it Victoria. It's not related to anything, but I just want to call it Victoria top, crochet top, Victoria crochet top. Now when to start is we're making the body for your bust, so I will show you how to make it. But before anything else, if you have already watched the bra crochet cap that I have uploaded a month ago, I've uploaded a bra cap crochet, so I want you to check that link, that video up, and then come back here and I'll show you what to do next. The tools, the crochet tools, the tools that we needed is yarn. I have this yarn here, it's called Needless 8 ply 100% acrylic, so that, and they recommend to use 5 mm hook, but on this project I will be using 4mm hook, this one here, and a needle as usual, and a scissor. That's all you needed: yarn, needle, hook that you want to use, and a scissor. Let's get started guys. So to begin, once you have the bra cup guys, we just hit aside the bra cup because we are going to start making this part here on the bust. Put that there and get your yarn, and then chain up to 15 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Once you have 15, add another one more chain, and then half double crochet on the second chain, half double crochet, half double crochet. So this first row is half double crochet all the way across, so it should be in total of 15 half double crochet. So in total of 15 half double crochet. Then second row, chain 1 and chain 1, then on the same stitch make sure to put half double crochet, but just crochet on the back side, just all on the back side, back loops, half double crochet on the back loops. There you go. So do this as many row as you can. So do this pattern, guys, as many as you can, as many row as you can, until you have enough measurement for your bust. And come back here and I'll show you what to do next. So again, in the row 3, chain 1, half double crochet on the same space, but on the back loop side, half double crochet, half on the back loop side, again. I need to do that off the camera now, and I'll show you what to do next. Hi everyone, so I've done with my bust side. So I did this one. Now I'm going to connect it all together, as well as I've done the bra cup. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to make this bra cup, please make sure to watch the link on the description below. Now I just want to secure this one, so make sure you have two bra cup. Secure it by pulling that one, and let's put this aside for now and connect these two together by doing slip stitch here, then start with slip stitch, and it's single crochet. You can do single crochet. Let's do the single crochet, it's more easier, I guess. So each stitch put single crochet, so I will do this off the camera, guys, and I'll come back once I've done it. Hi guys, so I'm back. I just connected it by doing single crochet. Now we need to connect the bra cup. So because this is my middle, I decide this is my front and this is my back. So to connect, I'm going to start with one bra cup facing together like that, and then no need to cut your yarn, just slip stitch there and slip stitch with a bra cup, and by doing single crochet in every stitch across, just like this. You can do by using your needle, or by slip stitch or single crochet. It's up to you guys. This one is easier for me, plus is you don't need to, you know, bother with a needle. You can do that later on once you're attaching all together. So do this with the same with the other bra cup, and I will do that off the camera, and once I've done, I will come back and show you what to do for our edging pattern. So I'll just finish this one bra cup and do the rest off the camera. So this is what it looks like now, guys. So I will do the rest of this bra cup in the other side, and I'll show you this edging here. Gonna do this once I've done the other bra cup, and I'll show you what to do. Hi guys, so I am back. I've just finished connecting the two bra cup. Now, as you can see, there, what's it look like. Now let's start with the edging, just like what I showed you earlier. So this edging here, let's do that. And by doing this, now I'm going to start here on the back of our project, on the back side, so you can't see on the front side. So by start chaining 3, then skip to this one, 1 2, and then put 3 double crochet there, here, and then chain 2, again put 3 double crochet, again I want to explain, chain 3 count as double crochet, then skip 2, 1 2, then another double crochet there, then skip 1 2, put 3 double crochet in the same space, then chain 2, then 3 double crochet again on the same space, again 1 2, and then 1 2. So this will be our pattern for the edging. Just keep it repeating until you reach around, until you arrive in the next, on the other side here. Okay, and I will come back once I've done it. Hi everyone, so I've done with the last part. Also, it should need to be connected on our chain 3 on the very top here, and voila, and then just secure it like this, and then use your needle to hide all the bits and pieces. Now let's start to move on our here are all tie for the next side, and by slip stitch here, and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and double crochet on the next, and then chain 3, turn your work, and double crochet on the middle, just like this. And you know, make as many rows as you want until you have enough tie for the neck, and do the same thing on the other side. Mine, I will be making 25 row. I will do that off the camera now, and I'll show you what it looked like after. Hi everyone, so here it is. Our Victoria crochet top is done. I also hide all the small bits and pieces, and also attaching the tie for our neck side, and this is what it looks like. And I hope you will like this Victoria crochet top, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and don't forget to leave a comment and a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.